Hey everybody, it's Rick coming to you, and in this video I'm going to show you a secret Builderall conversion strategy that you've never heard of. Oh my goodness, you're not going to be able to sleep once you see this, and I'm getting ready to show you this in the next few minutes. But make sure you hit the subscribe button, and here's the reason why. All right, as I said, there are secret Builderall conversion funnels, and you've probably never heard of it. And I can pretty much guarantee they're probably not in your Builderall back office. I'm not a Builderall affiliate. Used to be, but not anymore. The strategy, I'm getting ready to show you a strategy, and this same strategy is used by billion-dollar companies, right? Just so that you can have some perspective. These are some of the billion-dollar companies that are leveraging the strategy that I'm getting ready to show you that's now available for Builderall affiliates. Like I said, they generate billions of dollars in sales every year, but they also spend millions, right, on conversion. It's interesting that the billion-dollar companies focus on conversions, not traffic, right? They have offers that are so irresistible, their prospects and customers can't say no even when they want to. And here's what they do. The prospects and customers run out on social media and they tell all their friends how they just got hooked up. Well, now you're going to be in a position to do the same exact thing. Now you can leverage the same strategy. And what is this strategy? Here we go. My full review video, click the link in the description to check out either my full review or the direct video, because I'm not going to go through the whole video. I'm just here to show you the Builderall piece. Now, check it. Outside of this thing just being absolutely phenomenal, but when you come over here to resources like this, check this. When you come down here to Builderall landing pages, and when you click on Builderall landing pages, this is what you come to, right? Done for you, high converting funnels. Check these out. Now, this will allow you, if you're not doing it already, this will allow you to take your Builderall business online and offline. Check this out, digital life insurance. And I'm getting ready to show you an in-depth look at one of the funnels here in a minute. But look at all these pre-done funnels for you, right? Credit repair, you name it, open house, right? Where at the click of a button, your prospects can, get an advertising, an incentive to do business with you. Now, check this out. And it's a simple 18-second, 14-second video. Is this one fun? Simple, right? Simple video. But when they come over here to your opt-in page, check this out. They get to pick depending on which landing page you're using, they get to pick where they want to go, right? And as soon as they hit enter now, boom, the system is now done. They've now automated an incentive on your behalf, on behalf of your company. I'm going to tell you, this thing is off the chain. The automation that's built within this particular platform, like I said, this isn't the full review of the platform in and of itself. This is just for Builderall users, and wanted to share this out with you. Click the link in the description to see more, to get more information. If I can be of assistance, my name is Rick. Hit me up. If you have any questions, hit me up. We have a Facebook group, and here's even one of the Builderall affiliates putting out a video on automating Builderall. Right. This is Andy Small, president of Book by VIP. Book by VIP owns Advertising Boost. Now, if you see my video, they rebranded from Advertising Base to Advertising Boost, right? Phenomenal company, millions of satisfied customers, testimonials. This will take your Builderall business to a whole nother level. And if I can, like I said, if I can be of any assistance, hit me up, give me a call. Peace. Click the link in the description to get started. Peace.